Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when still I make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up my clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For this video I'm going to be making some Jamaican fried dumplings. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you will get notified every time we upload a new video. So right here I have a cup and a half of flour. I'm going to add about a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. I'm going to add some salt. And then I'm just going to combine. Okay, now we're going to make a dough, so I'm going to start pouring some water slowly, and then I'll start kneading the dough. And be as gentle as possible. If you get too rough with the dough, then when you fry the dumplings, it's going to have a hard texture, and you want it to be soft. Another thing that I need to add, you don't want your dough to be too dry either. That's what the dough looks like. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to sit for about, I'll say 20 minutes before we start frying it. Alright, so it's been over 20, actually over 30 minutes, but this is what the dough looks like. So to make the fried dumplings, you're just going to take a little piece, you're just going to fold it. There you go. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do the same for the rest of the dough. Alright, so to fry your dumplings, first you want to make sure your oil is hot, because if it's not hot, then the dumpling will soak up the oil, so you want to make sure it's hot. Alright, so I'm going to cover these and allow them to fry. Alright, y'all, so there we have our finished product. Okay, and as you can see, extremely soft. So check that out.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread